coming at you with another video on the 3rd gen. So we've got air horn, intake pipes, a new cold air intake, and the big box with the air to air.
And then also we'll pull the batteries and we'll go up front. So we got the 3-inch intercooler piping, and the monster ram from Banks is all 3-inch. And then we went with the S&B. We've always just enjoyed S&B cold air intakes, so they work great. We enjoy them. There might be cheaper, there might be more expensive, but that's just what we enjoy, so that's what we get. So up to the front.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we'll pull out the cold air intake, we'll pull out the batteries and go swap those over for new ones, trade in the cores just because it's going to be winter and these ones are corroded, and we'll clean up the connectors and all that stuff, and then we'll take off all the hot and cold side pipes, the air horn, air to air, swap it out, take you along for the ride. Is that about it? Cool. Let's get after it. Our first attempt at an unboxing.
My knife's...
Dull knife world.
It's ancient. Like, it doesn't even lock anymore. You know those little cheese rounds that have plastic on them?
The peel that you peel?
Yeah, you peel them. It feels just like that stuff. Okie dokie. Got most of it all done. Got the air horn in, tubes.
I don't know if you can capture this, how big this is,
Oh yeah.
and how big our air filter is now. I don't know if this is the one that's supposed to be on that truck. Obviously it's super dead, but it's really tiny, like from a size comparison. And all the pipes are completely different.
Oh, there's the top. So that sucker was in there like, yo.
But it's so much
almost,
small.
Yeah, almost doubled in size.
Yeah. It's an S&B too. Maybe we'll get all the cold air now.
For sure. Unless if that was just one of their first designs or something. We don't know.
What else was there? You have to undo the bolt holding the dipstick, and then get it lined up and move it over. Other than that, everything fit really good.
Yeah, it won't. But there's a bolt down there on the fuel filter, the stock fuel filter. Just undo it and move the dipstick over. It's upside down now.
That's really it. that's a wrap on another video. We got everything on the batteries all coated. Everything's all tight. Everything looks new and clean. Ready for winter jobby. Ready for more cold air. I'll start it.
Quieter.
Huh?
It's quieter.
This freaking camera. Okay. Close with another video. Bye now.
Sir. See you in the next video.